I watched that video and I enjoyed it, and I was like, I'm gonna send this to Sam, and then I forgot.
So Hank Green, the sci-fi show cancer survivor, very funny guy, released a video on the white lies on this water usage of AI, right? And he basically explains, we've spoken about it a couple of times to be honest, but this argument that water use is a big issue in the world of AI. And the long and short of it is really that it's such a hard thing. The easiest way I can explain it is, yes, it uses water, but like the work I'm doing would normally take me a month, now takes me less than a week. Like, so think about that. I'm not working as hard, or I'm not traveling to work. You might not be traveling to. It's so interconnected. All of these different parts it's hard to say that water usage up or down.
Like, you should go watch this video. You will enjoy it. Not just learn something, you will enjoy it. I think he's just an amazing storyteller, and he brings you through this like idea of how much water is being used by AI compared to other things. That's where it gets interesting, because he compares it to other industries and where we are potentially.
What's the one where it's like the water
corn.
used?
Yes,
corn,
yes,
which we don't
cars.
even eat. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and also you know, for your garden, maybe potentially. So there is AI using a lot of water. Like, there are articles on this, and then you compare that to other industries. That is also important. Then there is the point that you make, which is, well, it's making you faster, so it is better overall. But also I would add that part that with AI we are generating a bunch of nonsense that we are using AI to filter out as well. Like, there is also that aspects of it, like with job and resumes. People are using AI to make like hundreds, if not thousands of versions of their resume based on, and then they send them in masses, and then the companies use AI to filter them. So we are generating a bunch of content that we don't read.
There is a video that someone released that's saying you're using AI wrong, and I was like, okay, what are people using AI for then? And literally they're using AI to like do things you can do in a regex that you do not need an AI for at all, or just doing stuff that you can just filter with normal JavaScript functions. People are using coders are using AI for, which just blew my mind. It would never even it wouldn't even cross my mind that is something to do. Like, people are using AI for ridiculous things. We're just lacking the ability to do any kind of critical thinking, because it's saying, oh, just AI will do it, you know. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.